Hey everyone, this is Alicia at Strand Salon. Here are some tips and tricks on how to style a short men's hair. So first, we have my brother here. We've just cut and washed his hair. So we're going to start by towel drying most of the moisture out, just so that we're not dripping wet anymore. And then we'll come in and blow dry it a bit. And here you don't have to do anything too specific, just get it pretty dry. I normally like to blow dry with a little bit of volume just so you have something to work with once it's dry, just because you can't, it's a little harder to put it in there once it's already dry. But yeah, let's get started. All right, now we are back with freshly dried hair. Those of you that are doing this on yourself, you can always, easiest way that I find to do it is to flip your head upside down and just blow dry it that way. For parents that are doing this on little kids, easiest way is just with a brush or with your hand. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, like I said, just enough so that it's dry and has a little bit of body in it. But then after this, we're gonna go in with Paul Mitchell's dry paste. Now this is my favorite for styling for short hair, just because it's not too strong of a hold, but it's enough that it puts enough texture in there that it starts to cling to itself without being too clumpy. And then my secret for styling is to put it all the way through the hair instead of just going into one spot immediately. So you get it all up in there. And then you can take the excess off your hands and then work it to where you want it to be. And that could be anywhere from styled up like a little bit of a pompadour, or you can style it off and over to the side. So it's tucked to the side a little bit. You can even go as crazy as to just stick it all straight up in a little mohawk. But see how the texture paste just sticks to itself, and you can still run your hands through it and adjust it throughout the day. And it's as easy as that. All right, well that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more from here at Strand Salon.